Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Plasticity 3D and Shapr3D. Plasticity 3D and Shapr3D are both 3D modeling tools, but they target different uses and workflows. Plasticity 3D is an easy-to-use, browser-based 3D modeling tool suitable for beginners and casual designers. It allows users to create, sculpt, and design 3D models without installing software. The interface is intuitive, making it simple to learn and start building projects quickly. It supports exporting models for 3D printing or further editing in other software. Plasticity 3D focuses on speed and accessibility rather than advanced professional features. It's great for hobbyists, students, or anyone exploring 3D modeling for the first time. Shapr3D is a professional 3D CAD modeling tool designed for iPad and desktop users. It offers precise modeling with parametric design features, making it ideal for engineers and product designers. The interface is user-friendly, especially with Apple Pencil support, allowing intuitive sketching and shaping. Shapr3D supports technical drawings, export options, and integrations with other CAD software. It focuses on accuracy and professional-grade tools rather than casual or quick modeling. The app is suitable for creating detailed parts, prototypes, and complex designs. Overall, Plasticity 3D is better for beginners and quick 3D modeling, while Shapr3D is ideal for professionals needing precise CAD-grade designs. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.